Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the new amethyst snapper in Visit. So let's get started. First, just try to the crystal depth like this. These fish can only be found by fishing in this area. And then the amethyst snapper is a rare level fish like this. So you don't need endgame gear, just use a mid-tier rod and medium bait. Like for example, you can use the steampunk rod or lucky rod, and for the bait you can use a midnight bait, and then after that just start fishing on here in this area and just be patient until you get the fish. And once you catch it, this is what the amethyst snapper looks like this. It's so cute. I think it has a pink body with black markings, making it really easy to recognize like this. And okay, maybe that's it. That's how you can get the amethyst snapper and fish it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.